Today I'm going to talk about how to use Microsoft Word application. Microsoft Word is part of the Microsoft Office package, and it comes together with Microsoft Office or Office 365. What is Microsoft Word used for? Microsoft Word is used mainly to write reports, to write curriculum vitae. It can be used to write letters. It's a very useful tool. And how do we launch Microsoft Word? If you don't know Microsoft Word, I'm going to give you an overview of Microsoft Word. First of all, if you go to here to search, you search, even if you just type Word, you open Word. So here you'll be presented this screen. These are the recent files you've worked on, and these are some of the sample templates you can use. But you click on blank document. Assuming you wanted to write a report, just click on blank document. So this is the Microsoft Word environment. It's very easy to use, that you can go to File, you can go Home, you can insert, you can draw objects, you can design, layout, references, mailings, review, view, help. But in most cases, you be at this option of Home. So if you want to start typing a document, you just start by typing, for example, a report. This report is about the economic growth. So I've written my first sentence. So if you want to go to the next line, you can continue typing. You can see as I'm typing, automatically take you to the next line, or in case you just wanted to go straight to the next line, you press enter on your keyboard. Enter. So you can continue typing your report. If you want to go to another line, you press enter, like that. So Microsoft Word is a very easy application to use, and there are a number of options, a number of functionality you'll find in Microsoft Word. For example, if you wanted to change the font, it's very easy. Assuming that, let me just repeat this text to save on time. Assuming this is your report, for example, if you want to change, assuming this is the title, and you want to make this capital, you can click on your keyboard, caps lock, and type economic growth. So assuming that you want to make this bold, if you want to make this bold, you highlight it like this and click on this B here, bold. Under home, make sure that you are under home. Of course, you might be having a different version of Microsoft Word, but I think most people have the current Microsoft Word. So you can see this one, is a bit darker if you click on bold. If you want to make it italics, you click on this one, italics. You see. And if you want to underline, you click on this. And if you want to change the size of this word economic growth, you come here and you select the size. Maybe you want 26. I'm showing you the basics of Microsoft Word. So most of the buttons you need, most of the options you'll need in Microsoft Word will be under home and will be under font. This section of font. You see this font? So this is how you manage your font. You can even change the color. When I click there, I can change the color to blue or to whatever color, green. So you can as well give this word economic growth probably let me see, you can give it a gray background. Okay, so you can as well use these other fonts here to change. You can see, you can select. There are so many options in Microsoft Word. It is up to you to apply all those options. So this part here is very important because that's where you change the font style. So what we are doing now, we are changing the font style. I can also change the font, this style to agency FB, or I can use Arial Black. Now I think you can see how I'm playing around with these buttons of Microsoft Word. Then there are so many other options you can use in Microsoft Word, and in case you wanted to save this file, you just go to File, Save As, and then you find a location where to save the file, and you just maybe browse here and find a location. Maybe I'm going to save economic growth under Andrew folder. You save. So this is how you save, but once you have saved, you don't need to go back to File, Save As. This time you just use File, Save, because you already created a file. You use File, Save As if it's your first time to save the file. But in case you've already saved the file, you just go to File, Save. The shortcut is even here. You can just click on Save. Or Control S. You see, Control S does the job. So I've already saved this file such that in case I close it, I'll be able to locate this file. So you can see Microsoft Word is a very, very useful application when it comes to write, as I said, letters, reports, CVs, and so on and so forth. To illustrate other options here, you can see you can be able to add some pictures in Microsoft Word. You can add shapes. Yeah, you can add icons. In my subsequent videos, I'll be showing you how to add the pictures, how to add the the shapes, how to add the charts, and so on and so forth. Also illustrating these other headers, what are headers, what are footer, how to add page numbers, and so on and so forth. So today my focus was basically to show you the Microsoft Word environment. These other options, we can look at them later, but Microsoft Word is an application that's very useful in coming up with reports used in organizations, especially to make decisions. So as you can see, this is the first page of your report. So if you continue pressing enter, it will take you to the next page. This is the next page, and then it will take you to the other pages, depending on the amount of information you have to type. In case you wanted to make a paragraph, just come here and say enter, and you can see this is aligned on the left, and then you can as well as center, or you can as well justify. Justify means that this side here will be well aligned on a straight line. You can see here, and then this one, you can see that this there is not well aligned to this is, but when I use this one here, you can see it becomes well aligned. I can also center this. You see, now I have my report is gaining shape. So in this video, basically I just wanted to show you the basics. You can as well use this this icon to increase the size of the font. You see, when I do that, it increases by 1 point. When I do this, it reduces by 1 point. You can even change letters to uppercase or lowercase. So you can change lowercase. You can change this one to uppercase, or you can as well change start each letter with capital. You can toggle case, start with the small letter and then capital, but of course we want everything to be in capital. You can see that this part is the very, very important part of Microsoft Word. Actually, so long as you can master this part alone, is just enough for you to write a presentable report. I think I've illustrated most of the functionalities here, and in my next videos I'll be explaining other parts. I'll give you more details of how to use Microsoft Word in my subsequent videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and please like this video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the notification button so that you are updated on the subsequent videos that I'll be posting in future. Bye for now. Thank you.